Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Microsoft Copilot Studio for AI automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft Copilot Studio website. Look for the sign up or register button on the homepage. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to the registration form. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again. Fill in your first and last name. Select your country from the drop-down menu. If applicable, enter your organization's name. Review the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Create Account or Sign Up button. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and locate the verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address. Return to the Microsoft Copilot Studio registration page. Log in using your newly created account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the option to access AI automation features. Follow any additional prompts to set up your profile. Provide any necessary information required for personalization. Explore the available resources and documentation. Familiarize yourself with the user interface. You are now ready to start using Microsoft Copilot Studio for AI automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.